Today we're going to make a layered taco salad that you can use as a party dish, a main dish, or a snack. It's one of my family's favorites, and I hope you enjoy it just as much. If you like it, click the thumbs up below this video and share it with a friend. Let's get started. So first we're going to make the base because that needs to sit in the fridge and have the flavors blend for about 24 hours. Ingredients we're going to start with: we need 2 cups of sour cream, 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and either half of a large onion or 1 medium onion. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up my onion. And I've cut it into small pieces, and I'm going to use a food chopper to make this a little bit faster job. And if you haven't used this before, this is the OXO food chopper, and it comes with a bottom to it, but I like to use it right on the cutting board for the onion, and I can just chop it up quickly. So now that the onions are chopped, we're going to add to our bowl 2 cups of sour cream. Then I'm going to add the onion. Then 2 packages of cream cheese. The cream cheese needs to be softened to room temperature so that it'll stir, otherwise it'll be too thick to mix in. So set that out an hour before you start working. And then the last thing we're going to add is 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Then you want to mix this well. And once it's mixed well, you want to put it into a covered container and put it in the refrigerator overnight or up to 24 hours. The best flavors will be a day after you make this. So for example, I'm going to be serving this tomorrow night. So I've made it tonight. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and then late tomorrow afternoon, I'll pull it out and put it together, and we'll finish taping then. So the next step in making our taco salad is to take a serving dish, and I'm just making a small amount tonight, but if you're doing a party, you could use a pie plate or something like that. And we're going to spread our base that we made earlier, and that's been in the refrigerator overnight, so we've been almost 24 hours with the seasoning and blending all those flavors. So the onion should have infused all of it, and the Worcestershire sauce. And we're just going to put a good layer on this. So now that we have the base on, we're going to add a layer of mild diced green chilies, and this is just the one from my local store. There's different brands that make that too. You'll find it with the taco and Mexican section of your grocery store. And they're mild, but not everyone likes a lot of it, so I just put a thin layer on. If you'd rather, if you don't have this, you could just put a layer of salsa on here. But on this one, I'm just going to put the chilies on and not use the salsa. Then next, I'm going to layer it with some shredded lettuce. Then we'll add some chopped tomato. Then some sliced black olives. And then finally, I'm going to add some shredded cheddar cheese. And then you can dip this with any type of tortilla, crackers, or chips that you may have. And it's very good, and it can go out for a party time or as an appetizer before a fancy dinner. But it's pretty simple to make. Just remember, you need to start the day ahead of time so that your base is ready. Enjoy. Let me know in the comments below if you have another ingredient you would want to add to the layers of this salad. If you try this recipe, give me an update on how it turned out for you. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell below if you want to know when our next video is ready. And if you like this video, share it with a friend and like it below. Thanks for watching.